Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add blank pages to a PDF file to a specific location in a PDF file using Nitro Pro. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro. Now click on this page thumbnail option, and here you will find this page layout option. Click here, and here also you will find this insert option. Click here and select insert blank page and select this blank page, and this is page location. I'll insert blank page after page number 2 after already selected. Now select OK and see this page number 2 and this blank page are inserted here. Again select insert option and insert blank page, and also I'll insert blank page after page number 7 as last page, and already selected here. After also you can select before. I select before and page number 7 before. Select OK and see this page number 7 and before blank page added. In this way you can put blank pages a specific location as you want. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.